guys, this is Zoey. Today I will introduce you how to custom laundry soap powder packaging. Laundry soap powder is an important part of our daily life, and the laundry soap powder packaging bag is still mainly plastic packaging. On one hand, because of the low cost of plastic bags. On the other hand, the bags are well sealed, have moisture-proof performance, and are not easy to break. For laundry soap powder packaging bags, there are usually a variety of specifications that can be selected. Stand-up pouch, three-sided seal bag, flat bottom bags, and so on. Laundry soap powders packaging bags are generally made of BOPP material with PE material, and the other is BOPP material with Rinpic material and PE material. If you want to know more details, please follow us or check our website. See you next time.